Hello guys, so in today's video we'll be expressing regret in Swahili. We'll learn some basic words to express regret such as like sorry, okay, please forgive me, etc. Please remember guys to like and subscribe for more videos like this so that you can encourage me to continue making them. So the first word is sorry. So how do you say sorry in Swahili? So sorry in Swahili is pole, okay, pole. So pronounce it as pole, then the whole pronunciation pole, pole. Okay, we put it into a sentence. Another Swahili word for sorry that you can use is samahani. Samahani, okay? So you pronounce it as samahani. 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 Okay, the whole pronunciation is samahani. Okay, so these two words are basically the basis of words that you express regret or you ask for forgiveness in Swahili. This pole and samahani. Okay, there are others, but these are the basic that you can start with. Okay, so let's put them in sentences. Examples in sentences. Okay, so example in sentences. Let me highlight this in so that it doesn't confuse you. Okay, so the first sentence that we will say, I'm sorry. Okay, so I am sorry. Basically, it's just this one word in Swahili. Okay, so I am sorry. You just say it as pole. Okay, there's nothing more to that. You can add some other things, but when you just say I'm sorry and you say it pole in Swahili, someone will understand. Okay, let me remove this line. Okay, so so basically this will just say pole stroke samahani. Okay, samahani stroke pole. Okay, so that is sentence one. Okay, so let's look at another sentence. Now we'll divert from that one. We'll go to other examples. I ask for forgiveness. Okay, basically these words are just shortened in Swahili, so there isn't much that you need to comprehend. Okay, so I ask for forgiveness. You'll just say ni na omba ninaomba msamaha. Okay, so you just say ninaomba msamaha. That's it. Okay, ninaomba msamaha. That's one way to ask for forgiveness in Swahili. Let's look at another sentence. So basically it's just like that. Okay, so Nina, this is one person, then omba is just like I pray for forgiveness, I ask for forgiveness. Okay, msamaha, it comes from the word samahani. Okay, so ninaomba msamaha is a different context, so just forgiveness. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say you have been found having made a mistake, so you say it's my fault. Okay, it's my fault. Let's just say that in Swahili it's basically ni. Okay, it comes ni kosa langu. Okay, ni kosa langu. Okay, so ni basically that it's kosa in kosa is the Swahili word for fault, okay? Then langu mai, okay? Langu mai. So ni kosa langu. Ni kosa langu. The whole pronunciation ni kosa langu, okay? You're saying it's my fault. Okay, you can pause and go through that pronunciation so that you can understand it better. Let's look at the last example. So the last example is, sorry for that, I made this bugging. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. So I made a mistake in Swahili. It's basically just one word, okay? It's just been shortened for you. You basically have to just comprehend one word, okay? Which is nimekosea. Nimekosea. Okay? You just say nimekosea. So someone has given you some work to do, you done it wrong, so you admit I made a mistake. So in Swahili you just say one word, which is nimekosea, okay? Nimekosea, nimekosea, nimekosea. I basically just pronounce the words. I usually pronounce the words slowly so that you can understand it better because you aren't used to the pronunciation. So I made a mistake, nimekosea, nimekosea. And that's it for this lesson. We've basically learned how to express Swahili, basic Swahili regrets. Okay, so if you were ever in a situation where people are speaking Swahili and then you offended someone in a way, you can just use some of these words, okay? Pole, samahani, okay? Or you can just say nimekosea. Just this one word covers this whole lot of words. I made a mistake, okay? So that's it guys for this lesson. Please remember to subscribe guys and to like so that you can encourage me to continue making this video to help you broaden your knowledge on Swahili, okay? And thank you for watching and catch you in the next video. Bye.